Hello and welcome to How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016. Throughout this video, I will show you how you can easily publish, raise and subscribe to business and integration events in CIL. Events are occurrences or state changes in the application exposed as hook points for other systems or processes to integrate with. They are designed to simplify upgrades by limiting source code modifications of the core application code. We have several types of events, but in this video we will focus on business and integration events. Business events are meaningful changes of state in context of a business process and provide integration points for extending the application. They are considered permanent by nature, and changes on business events should be none or kept at absolute minimum throughout the versions. Integration events are similar to business events, but can be changed throughout the versions. They are entry points for integrating other solutions without changing the core application code. At the end of this video, I will show you how to integrate solutions using events by subscribing to an existing event. I will also show how to publish a new event, subscribe to it, and raise and handle the event. To implement an event in Microsoft Dynamics NAV, we will go through following steps. First, we will publish an event. For business and integration events that we are focusing on in this video, we do it by creating and configuring a function as an event publisher function. Next, we will add the code to raise the event at a suitable place in application business logic. And finally, we create a subscriber function to subscribe to the raised event. For the purpose of this video, consider the following scenario. Isaac is a retailer and wants to mail customers once they are invoiced. Of course, Microsoft Dynamics NAV application already offers several possibilities to do so, but just for the purpose of this demo, let's have a look at how this could be done using events. To send an email notification to customer, I will start with integrating to an existing integration event. For this, I have chosen an after post-sales doc event published in code unit 80. The event is published by declaring a CIL function, so browse the list of existing functions to locate the event. The event property defines a function as an event, and the event type property tells us this is an integration event. The local property is set to yes, which makes the event available to subscribers within this code unit. The event is raised by calling the function in the code. Next, I need to create a subscriber function for this event. For this, I have created a function and called it send user notification. I have declared my event as subscriber and specified what publisher object and event I'm subscribing to. I have added a simple code to send mail to customer once an invoice is created. Now, if I post an order, an email notification will be sent to my customer, and for the purpose of this video, to my email address. So we'll go to sales order, create a new order. Just copy from an existing one. And post the order. An email is now sent to the customer. Now consider the following scenario. Isaac wants to expand this notification functionality to allow his customers to subscribe to notifications following every step of their purchase process. When their order is registered, when the ordered item is shipped, when they are invoiced, and so on. So let's add another step to our scenario and also add a notification when customer's item has been shipped. For this, we will create a new event. we will create a business event. I have created a new code unit and called it My Publishers. Here I have created a new event and I called it on item shipped. Events have specific naming convention that makes them easily recognizable. You can read more about this in Dynamics NAV 2016 documentation. I have also defined my function as a publisher and I have selected event type business. I have also set local property to no so the publisher is available outside this object. Event publisher functions cannot have a code and this is enforced by CIL editor and compiler. Comments describing the events are recommended. Also, it's worth noting that there is no limit to type or number of parameters specific for event functions, but event functions cannot have a return value. I have also created a code unit for my subscribers, where I have created a new subscriber. Again, I have declared the function as a subscriber, defined what publisher object I'm subscribing to, and also what event I'm subscribing to. In this case, my new event on item shipped. Declaring and publishing in an event will not cause any action until the event is raised. To raise the event, we simply call it at the appropriate place in application code. I have called this event in code unit 80 after an item has been shipped. Once raised, the event is available to all subscribers and all subscribers are invoked. However, the order in which they are invoked is determined by the service. If the event is raised and no subscribers exist, the runtime will simply ignore the call. So I'll create a new order and just copy an existing document. I will first ship the order and should get an email about the shipment. And finally I will post the order and should get an email about the invoice. Let's revisit the steps that we have performed in this scenario. First, we have integrated our solution by subscribing to an existing integration event. Next, we showed how to create own events by creating an event publisher function. We then added a code that calls event publisher function to raise the event. And finally, we created subscriber function to subscribe to the raised event. For more information about Dynamics NAV 2016 events, please visit What's New in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016 page. Thanks for watching and we look forward to seeing you again in another episode of How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016.